Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch, you probably have one of the watch faces that come with the Apple Watch OS. But of course, those are boring and everyone will have basically the same few watch faces. So in this video, I will show you guys how to actually install custom watch faces on your Apple Watch so you make your Apple Watch look way different and install things like maybe a Rolex watch face or a Patek or anything else you want. We have some really cool watch faces for you guys. So in this video, I will show you guys the step-by-step process on how you can do that and get some of these awesome watch faces on your Apple Watch, and that totally for free. Alright, so the first thing you need is this app that you can download for free from the App Store. The app is pretty simple to use. Of course, you install it on your iPhone. Make sure you have your Apple Watch connected to your iPhone. That way you have the app installed on your Apple Watch as well. So right here, all you have to do is just go ahead and browse all the different watch faces that you might want to actually install on your Apple Watch. So right here we'll have recents, you will have the trending ones, and you will have here different artists and all the cool watch faces that they create. So right here we have some. Now you can see most of these are actually totally free. These ones with the plus right there are paid, but most of them again are free, and there are some really cool ones. So let's say you find a watch face that you actually like and you want to have it on your Apple Watch. Now here's how it works and how you can add it to your Apple Watch. First of all, when you find a watch face that you want to add, make sure that you have the app open on your Apple Watch. Once you have done that, just go ahead and go to the watch face that you want to add to your Apple Watch, tap on it, and from here all you have to do is make sure you tap this button right here, and this will be added to your Apple Watch. It is as easy as that. But there is more. You will find a ton of different Apple Watch faces right on this app, but I will show you guys how to find some really cool ones in just a second here. But first of all, let's move on to the Apple Watch and let me show you guys how to set the app up there so it works flawlessly with your new watch faces. So here we are on the Apple Watch, and let me show you guys how this works. So you will basically have this app right here. So you go into your apps and there you have Clockology. So this is how it works. You launch the app and it will display like this. So you leave it like this opened on your Apple Watch. But of course, when the screen will turn dark, it will go back to your watch face that you have on your Apple Watch. But you will need to actually head on to your settings app. On the settings app, make sure you go to general and then just go ahead and find here return to clock and just move it to after 1 hour. That way it will actually stay right here on the Clockology app, and just like that you will have some really beautiful watch faces. So if you have added multiple of those to your Apple Watch, you can just swipe like this, just like you do on your Apple Watch, to switch between all the different cool watch faces that you have added to your Apple Watch with Clockology. Now some of these are actually here on the app that I just showed you guys, but some of these like the Rolex and all that cool stuff, you can find them on another place, which I will show you guys. So let's go ahead and move back to the iPhone. So we're back on the iPhone, so just head on back into the app, into the Clockology app, and from here what you will need to do is tap this button right here to take you to Telegram. If you don't have Telegram on your iPhone, of course you can download it for free from the App Store. So tap right there, it will take you in Telegram, and right here you will find some really crazy watch faces for your Apple Watch. So if we just scroll here, you can see we have some pretty cool ones that we can download and add to our Apple Watch. So this is how you actually add these. So let's say we want to add this Omega one. All we have to do is here, you can see the screenshot, we have a file down here. So we tap right there and then tap that little share button. You will find Clockology here. If you don't, then just go ahead and tap right here on edit actions, or actually tap right here on more, and make sure you add Clockology from here. And once you have done that, of course, once you tap the share button, then you go ahead and tap right here on Clockology, and there we have it. You open the app on your Apple Watch, you tap here, it will sync it to your Apple Watch, and you're good to go. From here, you will get this brand new watch face on your Apple Watch, which actually looks pretty cool. So that's how simple it is to actually add custom watch faces to your Apple Watch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the links that you need will be right down below in the description of the video, so make sure to go ahead, check them out, and try this and make your Apple Watch look way different. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. I'll see you on the next one.